are trying to adjust right now to a time that we don't know how to handle. So we have to make decisions, we have to make plans, and yet I know all of us are probably having all these thoughts going on in our head without some clarity to them. It's hard to decipher which ones to follow and how to do it. One way is called mind mapping, and it's really how I became a rep. I did this thing where I put a circle and I wrote ideal job, and I went off on all these tangents about what's a real job for me. What does it look like? What am I wearing? Where am I? Am I at home? Am I in an office? What's the time of day I'm working? How much am I making? What are the skills that I'm using, which are sales, because that's what I love. Mine became clear, not really to me. I brought it to a photographer and he said, "Oh, you're a rep." I was like, "What's a rep? Great. It worked." This mind mapping, I did one recently called what I want from photographers. And it's just getting out all these thoughts that are in our head by starting with this center circle of what our question is, creating a plan by taking a step back. It's like a vision board for our mind, how to take a step back and figure out what we want to do and how to do it.